Welcome to the Creativity Cooks Mango Lassi cooking tutorial. For this recipe, you will need 1 blender, 1 mango, half a cup of plain yogurt, a quarter cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey. Your first step, you will need a small kitchen knife to peel the skin off the mango. Be very careful not to cut too deep into the mango and be careful not to cut yourself. Peel all the skin off. Next, in a small or medium bowl, you can cut the flesh off the mango into small chunks. Try to get as much as you can without cutting into the mango seed. Now you can add your mango chunks, your quarter cup of milk, and your half a cup of plain yogurt, as well as your 2 tablespoons of sugar to your blender. Don't forget to cover your blender. You will blend this mixture on medium for about 30 to 45 seconds. When you're finished blending, pour your mango lassi into a glass and enjoy. Thanks for cooking with us. We'll see you guys next week at Creativity Cooks International.